Hello, ma'am. Good day. This is Jetalyn P. Lacar, 34 years old, single, and I'm from Santa Tres, Lasam, Cagayan. I am a college graduate with a degree, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology at Cagayan State University, Lasam. I took my earning units in education and gladly I passed the licensure examination for teachers. I have 3 siblings, 2 brothers, 1 sister, and I am the youngest in the family. I am honest, trustworthy, hardworking, friendly, patient, responsible, and energetic. I work as a factory worker in Taiwan for 6 years at the same company. Here in the Philippines, I am taking care of my grandparents, my parents, and my 3-year-old son. I'm doing dishes, cooking, gardening, and some household chores. I can cook some Chinese food like steamed fish, chicken, vegetables, beef, chow mein, chow fan, dumplings, which I learned it from Taiwan when I was there. Another working experience is I work as early childhood teacher. My duty is to take care of my students, helping them to learn the basic of schooling and preparing them for first grade. If given an opportunity, I would be very grateful if you choose me. I promise to do my best in my duties and responsibilities. I will love and take good care of your kids if you have. I will respect and treat your family as my own family. I hope to finish my contract with you, and I am willing to train you as long as you want me. Thank you and have a good day.